In this video, we will show you how to respond to appointment requests, in particular how to reschedule. In addition, you can accept appointments or reject appointments. The home icon on the vertical menu on the left of the screen, when one is signed in as a doctor or any other healthcare professional, shows you a calendar panel where you can select dates to look at the schedules, a queue for new appointment requests, and a list of patients waiting consultations on the given day. In the view that we're looking at, there are no waiting patients. The schedule icon here on the left-hand side of the screen will show you a list of pending appointments for consultations. This includes consultations that were started but not completed. In this particular view, we can see options to reject or reschedule. So these are appointments that have previously been accepted. Where there is only a reject option, it means that the appointment has already been, the consultation was started but not completed. So if we come back to the home screen and take a look at the schedule panel here, you can see that there are no appointments for the given day. There are 2 days here that have got a green highlight showing that there are or were active appointments. So let's take a look at the 15th of June, a day in the past. We'll see that there's an appointment here for Eugene, which was due to have been at 11 o'clock on July the 15th. If we select this appointment, in the following screen, we see the appointment detail. You can scroll vertically through the screen to see more data, or if you prefer, you can use the magnification or zoom option on your browser to see the full screen in one go. And if the text is too small, just magnify it up until it's comfortable for you to read. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see there's a button here that says Start the Consultation. And this tells us that the appointment is yet to commence. There's an option to reject the appointment. Looking here, we can see that it was a chat consultation. It was due to have been on July the 15th at 11 o'clock, but there was a reschedule request. Either I or my assistant must have attempted to reschedule this, but Eugene has not yet confirmed the reschedule. If we look further down, we can see that Eugene did in fact pay for this using M-Pesa with an M-Pesa reference number. This is a manually entered reference number that is not automatically verified by the system, so this needs a manual verification by the finance team. As Eugene says, he's already paid for this, but he didn't make his appointment. We're going to attempt once more to reschedule it. So I'm going to use this reschedule button here. I can use it on any of the screens where it appears. If I push the reschedule button, a new panel opens. With a calendar widget. Here in the calendar widget, I can select a date and time. So I'm going to set this up for today still, being Friday the 24th, and there's still an option for me to take the 6 p.m. slot. I'm working later tonight, and I can put in a comment for Eugene as well. So, Eugene, thank you for making an appointment. Unfortunately, you were not present. I can still accommodate you today. And a final confirmation panel, and that request is sent off. So if we come back to the schedule now, we'll see that green highlight on the 23rd has disappeared. It now appears on the 24th. Because we have requested Eugene for today, and we're now waiting for Eugene to accept that. So that shows you how to reschedule an appointment. In a following video, we'll show you how to accept appointments that come in or to reject them.